Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to share the products which are under a budget of 100 rupees, and I hope this will be pretty exciting. I think you might be able to pick up one or the other item from among all the items which I am showcasing in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let me start off with the first product of today's video, and that is about the Cracked Heel Repair Cream. I have been using this for many years, and recently I purchased it because I have been suffering from cracked feet, and some of you have asked me for a heel repair cream, and this is the one which I would absolutely ask you to go for. This is infused with all ingredients which are really good for your feet, and it helps to really recover your feet in around 5 days. If it is moderately cracked, I think this will really help, and it is like proven. I have used it multiple times in my life, and this is the best one to be considered under a budget of 100 rupees. So the next product which I will recommend is the Hamdard Rogan Amla Sada Oil. This is the Amla oil, and it comes at a price of only 65 rupees, and obviously you can go for this oil if you're suffering from hair fall and hair loss. Obviously Amla oil is infused with all antioxidants and vitamin C rich, and these has many ingredient list. I am not going into deeper details in this video. I am just showing you the products which I have really used up and which I feel are really useful under a budget of 100 rupees. And what I do use is I use this along with my coconut oil, because this has a kind of perfume, and I don't prefer perfume loaded products, but anyways I mix it with my coconut oil and I apply it at my roots, and it does help to control hair fall to a certain extent, though I have not extensively tested it, but I have been using this for quite some time now, and yeah, it does provide a very good hydration and moisturization, and you can definitely go for this if you are looking out for amla oil. The next product is my absolute favorite. This is the Calsoft AF lotion. This is a calamine lotion. It does come with a little bit of perfume, but then again, if you compare this with lactocalamine, this is much less perfumed and much soothing than the lactocalamine. The lactocalamine tends to make me feel very sweaty, however this one is not such, and this one does make my skin cooler, and whenever I do suffer from rash and all, I do apply it. And this is also recommended even to children and kids and infants, even when they suffer from rashes. And I have been using this for many years, and this is the absolutely best calamine lotion. This comes at a price of 102, but I have considered it under a budget of 100. But yeah, I think that should be fine. Okay, by the way, I do store it in the refrigerator to make it more cooler and soothing. Now, I have really not considered keeping a face wash under a budget of 100 rupees, but if you are strict on a budget, then obviously the VLCC Ayurveda in the Haldi and Chandan variety is one such face wash which I absolutely loved under a budget of 100. Obviously, if you ask me to recommend a face wash, I won't recommend it under a budget of 100, but if you are strict on a budget, then I think you can go for this. I have used many other face washes under a budget of 100 rupees. There are like some of them are like this Lakme Blush and Glow, then Himalaya, and many other such face washes, but I felt this is the one which is non-drying. Though it claims to be soap free, I am not sure whether it is absolutely soap free or not, but it does clean the skin and it doesn't leave it dry. That is what I love, and that's why I'm recommending this one. Next product which I'll be recommending is the Sudol Borolin Skin Hygiene Liquid. This is a cooling liquid, and this can be used as an aftershave also by men, and I do use it on my prickly head. Whenever in the summertime I do get prickly head, I do apply it, and even I mix it with my bath water and then take a bath while I am bathing, and this is very cool and the smell is refreshing. It does have a lot of smell and perfume, but it's so refreshing. I feel instantly refreshed after like taking my bath with this liquid. Which I have with me is the Wadi Strawberry Lip Balm. This comes under a budget of 50. This is priced at 48 rupees. This is infused with many other like almond oil, vitamin E, organic honey, steam distilled strawberry extract, soy oil, and organic honey male extract. But this is what the lip balm looks like. It doesn't give any tint, however, though it looks like it is tinted, but it doesn't give any such tint. And I've been using this for almost 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. And if you are on a budget and under a budget of 100 rupees, you can definitely consider this lip balm. I am absolutely loving this. This will last for a month or so. So the next product is this hydrating germ protection hand cream. I absolutely love the smell of this cream, and this is a hand cream. Generally, I am not a person who will go for a hand cream, but yes, sometimes you do want to like invest in something a bit more luxurious. So this is an affordable one yet luxurious. This is priced at 69 rupees, and this is absolutely hydrating. I've been using this for a few days and I absolutely love it. It gives hydration and it is not very sticky. It is greasy in the beginning, but ultimately eventually it does get absorbed in the hands, and I absolutely love this one. And moreover, this ingredient list is pretty simple and straightforward. Obviously you can go for this. I do always carry a Borolin, a tub of Borolin with me, and it is really good, and I had to consider this in this video because I didn't want to miss it. I've been using since childhood, and I do resort to this whenever my lips are totally cracked up. I do use it to like soften my skin, the dried skin, so that I can scrub it off early in the morning. You can use it on your cracked heels as well and on your hands as well. Pond's moisturizing cold cream, and also the Nivea moisturizing cold cream is equally good, even the blue and the white one. And I will ask you to go for this if you are suffering from very dry skin on your body. I do resort to this during the winter months when my skin feels extremely dry during the winter months, and I do apply this on my body. So I've been using this for many days, and as you can see, I love this product. Is a bit on the makeup side, but I still considered under a budget of 100 rupees. This is the Pond's White Beauty BB Cream. This comes at a price of 100 rupees or something for the smaller pack, and I've been using this since the time it has been launched, I guess, and I absolutely love it. I resort to this whenever I suffer from dark spots, and yes, whenever I showcase any video on my channel, and you might be feeling that I am flawless, but I am not. Obviously on the dark spot I do apply, but yes, as I can but I can proudly say that many of the products which I have showcased in my videos have worked pretty well for me. I do get occasional breakouts and dark spots, and I do use this as a spot treatment, not on my entire face, and I absolutely love petroleum jelly. It is a very like default thing which I think everybody of you might be owning already at your home. And yeah, I won't ask you to go for this as a skin treatment, but yes, to lock in the moisture if you are suffering from very parched and dry skin, you moisturize your skin well, and you can apply on top of that to avoid transepidermal water loss and to lock in the moisture. And obviously I will ask you to go for this, especially on the lips and also on the cracked heels and also on the body when you are feeling very dry. I absolutely recommend this one. All the soaps I have used in my life, I think the Dove is the one which stands out. I have tried many Indian brands as well, and I love using body soap. I did order a few Indian soaps for this video, and I did try out, but it was a failure, and yes, I think I will stick to my Dove. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you would like similar videos like this under a budget of 200, I think I have more options under a budget of 200, so please do comment down below. And I hope this will be a bit of the track video, and I hope you will find this interesting. Please do like this video, and you can even dislike the video if you don't like it, and also comment down if you have liked and enjoyed it thoroughly. Please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.